Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new, you may have not seen my previous video, but the link will be down in the description. We have a 2013 Audi A4 Premium that we have to finally get some paint done on it. As you guys saw in the previous video, it was hitting the front, little minor damage, front bumper, a little bit of a rear fender needs to get had some body work, so it also needs to get painted, and all that has to match pretty well. This is gonna be my first trial of actually painting a car myself. I've done, like, you know, spray cans with plastic dip and stuff like that. I'm sure everybody has, but you know, actually painting with a spray gun is a whole totally different game. So why not go ahead and invest in that, since I'm going to be doing little projects like this for you guys. Let's go ahead and unwrap that bumper that has came in. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you guys get post notifications of new posts and new builds that are here to come. Let's go ahead and get into painting. Here we have set up a little tent. I don't have obviously a full-on closed-in area where I can spray paint. I have a couple friends that have one, but I was gonna try it out. Why not try it out outside first? So here's the bumper. Gonna go ahead and take it off. It is not the stock bumper, so let's check it out. So as I said, this is not a regular bumper for the A4. This is the RS4 bumper, which really looks a lot meaner. I really love the front grille that's on here. The little grills are right here on the side and the fog lights. So we were actually able to find a really good deal on this one right here. And it literally came with all the components. So we literally just have to spray bumper itself, and everything else is already painted. It has really nice gloss look. It's just amazing. So I think with this vibrant color that we have for the car, it is gonna look very, very nice, just fantastic. Depends on who's painting the bumper itself. So hopefully this is gonna turn out really well. If it is, you know, even if it's not, I keep trying, you know, why not try? I hear that putting on the paint itself is not as hard as putting on the clear coat. So trial and error with that. Why not trial and error with paint? You know, it's gonna save a lot more money, be a lot more beneficial for me as not afraid to take a challenge. So this is gonna be one of them. Let's go ahead and start sanding it down. I actually went and got some, I really apologize, there's a fan making noise back there. I got some 500 grit sandpaper. You definitely don't have to go that high. I just wanted to go with the really finest. I'll have, let's go ahead and get started sanding it down and getting ready to paint. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished sanding it down. It is very nice and smooth. I went ahead and put some acetone, just to clean it all off and make sure nothing is on there. Use some Scotch-Brite to really clean it up, get into the little grooves and crevices where usually can't get in there with sandpaper. Just making sure everything is nice and dull. Of course, those bumpers do come in where they are ready to get primered, but I like to just go ahead and sand it down. Just, you know, just be careful and give a little bit more precaution. So right now, the last ingredient we're gonna get is go ahead and get the 2K primer to spray onto there, and then we'll be done. We got the primer and the hardener in, mixing it, getting it ready. I'm gonna be doing the first coat.
Did you really think that you could just fix it like that? Coming over here, trying to feed me your version of fact. Just how long did you think that you could fake it? Can't hold on, we already started breaking. I'm not yours, so stop acting like you own me. I know me, no, you're never gonna show me. I'm so beyond being hurt and heartbroken. I'm too far gone, I just can't even hold on. No, I know I should have stopped it when I noticed your eyes. Look at how they lie. Your eyes, they lie.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, we have primered the bumper for the first time. That is the first coat we just finished, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take a Scotch-Brite, make it nice and smooth. Want to make it, you know, really nice. As I said, we need to work on these little areas right over here that have a little bit of rough texture to them. Right over here, right here, just a hair. But some of these areas, like this area, very smooth. This whole area came out really nice. I actually was able to spray this side a lot better. What my problem is for now, being, you know, the first time spraying, is I'm just going too fast. You know, I don't want to put too much material all at once. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to get any runs, so I'm kind of moving a little too fast. I just need to get in the groove. That's why I did like a little spray patterns right here on the box before I started spraying the bumper itself. But I'm gonna go ahead and sand this bumper down again, make sure it's all nice and smooth. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix another ratio of our hardener and our primer, and we're gonna go ahead and spray it one more time, and then gonna do the finishing touches of the sanding, and then hey, soon we're gonna be painting it.
Hold it over me, trying to make it seem like it's my fault. I don't think you see, 'cause baby you've got it all wrong. Just how long did you think that you could fake it? Can't hold on, we already started breaking. I'm not yours, so stop acting like you own me and know me. No, you're never gonna show me. I'm so beyond being hurt and heartbroken. I'm too far gone, I just can't even hold on. No, I know I should have stopped it when I noticed your eyes. Look at how they lie. Your eyes, they lie.
Alright guys, check out the first coat. It is looking magnificent. Loving this color. This color is just so vibrant. A volcanic red. That volcanic wolf red. There we go. But obviously there are some imperfections, like here, very light. I didn't want to go obviously on the first hit to do 100%, you know. I did a little bit more than 50%. So there are some areas that are really light, some areas I didn't catch, like this transition right here, some areas right there, and some areas in these little potholes, and here as well. But overall, it's looking really good.
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom. I need the strength to pull me up from the rubble, from the
Alright guys, so we brought the car here, and look at this, finally finished painting the bumper. The color obviously doesn't match up right now because it doesn't have that gloss, but it has that matte color that it should. Here's from the other side. The paint finish looks amazing. And the pearl, I'm sure it's gonna pop out like crazy after we add that clear coat on it. But I'm really loving this RS4 front look. What?
I'm worried they might not pop out.
It'll pop out.
The spark, the pearl stuff.
It'll work just fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna close this down, show you guys what it looks like when it's closed up. Here it is. It's looking fresh. We do have this headlight, we just haven't installed it because one of the can't figure out why one of the lights will not light up. The main one that's in the middle right here. I believe it's a blown fuse. We just gotta look. Audi's spaced their fuses out everywhere, so gotta check it out. But all the lines are matching up so well. Like, check it out. Bam. Over here, same thing. Gaps are amazing. Here it falls in.
Have to do a body work.
Yeah, here it falls in, but the grill itself that fits on here, it actually holds it into place. So it's gonna look really nice. Can't wait. Gonna go ahead and spray the clear coat probably tomorrow. It's getting a little bit dark on us, so we don't want to, you know, rush it. Just take our time. But it's looking amazing. I'm loving it. Like from here, you can almost not even tell the difference. Maybe just a little bit in the shine, but it's amazing. First paint job. It's looking sick. Cannot wait to actually go ahead and finish painting it. But yeah, she's coming together. We did purchase the rim for this one because we had purchased one, but it looked like it was the correct one in the pictures, but it came and it was the wrong one. So we ordered the right one. It did come in, so we have it in the garage. We're gonna order a new thread because this thread here looks okay, right? And then if you look on this side, straight bald. I mean, this thing is nothing. It will not even ride on grass.
Bald.
Pretty crazy. So
Get new wheels.
yeah, gonna get new tires. Check it out, guys. We have finally got the bumper all painted up. Got it all assembled. And the fog lights were really hard to get in. Almost scratched a little piece right here because I think these grills are Taiwan or something, so they're aftermarket. Kind of came out a little bit hard to get in there, but she's all on there. Really nice, very clean. And it was really nice. It came with bulbs and everything, but it's looking fresh, really good. Here's what it looks like from the back. The fog lights. We're also gonna wash it a little bit later, after we get everything on the car. I really like these little hitch areas that it has from both sides. Here's this really cool area right there. Bam. Put a hitch on. Pull the car out just in case. But we're gonna go ahead and put it on the car, show you guys what it looks like. Here she is. We got the lights working. Still gotta assemble and put this headlight on right here. We have it, and we just gotta reprogram it so the main one works in the middle. But they came out really nice. All the lines came out amazing. Okay. And yeah. So here she is in her prime, out in the sunlight. It is looking super nice. Loving it. It's just amazing. Came out terrific. But yeah, I wasn't able to get it myself. Spraying it down, you know, it just came out a little bit way too dirty in there, a little bit too much paint and dirt underneath, so I had taken it all back off, went to one of my best friends, Bob. He actually showed me how to sand it all down, make it very nice and clean, polish it up like that, and then sprayed it for me, made it nice, look really nice, and I'm really happy for this, how it turned out. This is all going to be a wrap for this video. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next episode that's going to be coming for this Audi. I'm getting some new tires, getting a little bit more paint job done around the car. Hope you guys liking this video. If you are, just make sure to subscribe to this channel. Would love the support that you guys giving me. Smash that like button and see you next time. Peace.